Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on calculating molar heat capacity. Heat capacity is the amount of heat it takes to raise 1 gram of a substance 1 degree Celsius or 1 degree Kelvin. Molar heat capacity is how much heat it takes to raise 1 mole of a substance 1 degree Celsius. So instead of dividing by the mass, you're dividing by the number of moles. So you know all the steps of how to do this, so it should be just keeping your mind clear and doing it one step at a time. So if I remember that the heat capacity is going to be equal to Q divided by M. Well, M is going to be changed by the number of moles. Remember, N is number of moles times the change in temperature. Okay, so you're given some steps here. You're given some parts. The Q, it says, is 2.67 times 10 to the 4th joules is needed. Okay, so we want, and remember, C is what we're trying to find. It's joules over moles over Kelvin. That's what we're looking for. So we want everything to be in joules and moles and Kelvin. Well, Kelvin and Celsius are going to be the same in terms of the amount, so we can simply jump from Celsius to Kelvin. Let's do that one first. From 0 to 13.5 is 13.5. How much to get to 0? 2 more. So what's the total? 15.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. How much heat is needed? 2.67 times 10 to the 4 joules. Okay, so I've got Kelvin is fine. I've got joules here, so I'm just going to write that 2.67 times 10 to the 4th joules. Now I just need moles. Well, I'm going to have to go through the periodic table to find out what the molar mass of this stuff, whatever it is, some kind of a pentane, sulfide thiopentate, something. So I'm going to just go to the periodic table. I've got 5 at 12.0107. And my hydrogens, I've got 12 at 1.00794. And sulfurs, I've got 1 times 32.065. Alright, that gives me a total of 104.21378 grams per mole. Alright, so how many grams have I been given? I've got kilograms. So kilograms, there's 1,000 kilogram or 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So I multiply by 3 places. So I have 860 grams. And in 1 mole, I've got 104.21378 grams. Okay, so divide that out. I'm just going to give you the whole calculator answer. We'll round at the end. 8.252267598. Okay, moles. So this number goes here. 8.252267598. All right. So let's do this this math and find out what it is, and that's it. So I've got 2.67 times 10 to the 4th. I'm going to divide by 8.252267598, and I'm going to divide by 15.5. Okay. All right. I only want 2 significant digits here because I've got 3 here. This will be 3, but this will be 2, so I want 2. The easiest way to do this is put it in scientific notation, which is 2.08, let me write it down, 2.0874 whatever times 10 to the 2. And now I'm going to round it to 2 significant digits. So go to the 2, 8 makes it go up 1, and I'll have 2.1 times 10 to the 2. And remember, it's in joules over moles kelvins. That's the amount of heat in joules it takes to raise 1 mole of a substance 1 degree Kelvin. Okay. Work, work, work.